Here's Jeff landing him a big one. Oh yeah, look at him fight that sucker. What do you think it is?
Well, I've heard I make some weird faces when I'm fighting fish.
I can't really see because the sun is blinding me.
Oh, I'm gonna
yes,
call
you,
a grouper.
Big grouper?
Yeah, keeper. Oh, there it is. Nice.
Whoa, look at that sucker. There's the...
Not a monster, but it'll do.
There's what number is that for us?
That is number 9. One more.
No, 8.
8?
No, 9. Yeah, you're right. 9. Move out of the way, Jeff, so I can see him.
What? Get a measure. Ah! Stuck in there. Right. I'm going to call 22. 22, 22, 22. Oop. My fingers are stuck.
Jeff got his finger stuck in the fish.
22.
Stop molesting the fish.
Well, I don't know. We don't really have space now.
Smash them in there.
I did.
It all goes down the same way when we eat them.
Yeah, but I don't like them when they're spoiled.
Just tenderized. Wave to the camera, Jeff.
Alright, let's